Good to know. For breakfast. Yes, we're gonna make. Is that your bag, Krista, or Caitlin's?
What do you not want? Breakfast?
To be frozen.
Good morning. We're at the beach. I look so rough, but I have to get a shower, so don't make fun of me. Look at that water. I have no clothes to wear besides literally sweatpants. I put 2 of my shorts in the dryer before I left and I forgot to take them out. Just like on brand for me to not pack anything. I think the plan for today is to go to the beach. I'm gonna go get the kids ready for the beach. They're gonna have so much fun, so let's go. Let's get dressed. Babe, you don't have to move that right now. Well, all right. Outfits. Guys. Jansen! Beach towels, just in case. Butter. Candy bars. You have snacks already? What did you get?
Going now or do they want to do? Layla, just don't put the same.
Swipe, let me know. Come here.
Now watch my